For our next transmitter device, we're going to work on a window. On a window, we have a couple different choices on mounting on the transmitter and the magnets. One simple solution could be to mount a transmitter here and then the magnet on here. And this would cover if somebody would open the bottom sash of the window. A better location is if you have enough space for the magnet to fit in on this top part of it, and the transmitter would go on this window ledge here, you'll get double coverage, because if you unlock and open the window from the bottom or from the top sliding down, either way would pick up someone entering in through that window. So I like this spot here. I'm going to go ahead and wipe clean, and there is some little bit of dust on this window. I like to mount the magnet first. Pull off the sticky tape there. Getting close to the edge. Press and hold for about 15 to 20 seconds. I'm going to activate the transmitter by pulling this batteries tab out. And I just heard the confirmation beep. Fingernails would be helpful here. Okay. And to get my proper spacing, I'm going to line this magnet, this screwdriver up against there. Press and hold for about 15 to 20 seconds. Pull the screwdriver out. And if I unlock and open this window, I got a confirmation beep from the touchscreen keypad. And I know that that window is ready to go to be tested for an alarm condition.